Welcome to the Moxi Skates YouTube channel. I am Estro Jen, founder of Moxi Roller Skates, and I want to thank you so much for coming to my very first ever free roller skating lesson live. So the next thing we're going to do is get familiar with our toe stops. So these are our toe stops here. I like to call them breaks. That makes a lot of sense to me. And you can use your breaks to stand. And I'm gonna show you a little exercise to practice that. So you're gonna shift your body weight out of the foot that you're going to place the toe stop down. And then you're gonna put your toe stop down, and then you're gonna shift just a little bit of weight into the foot. Now to switch, you're gonna lift the foot, shift the weight, point the toe, and then shift the weight back. Take the weight out, lift, shift, point down. So this is one way that you can stand and feel secure while using your toe stops. There are a couple of different ways to use your toe stops. My favorite way is the turnaround toe stop, but that's more of an intermediate skill. But for beginners, I would suggest just getting familiar with putting one down. You can put one down and maybe lift, take little pulses off the ground, then shift, point your toe again, do little pulses again. All right, and then using the toe stop while you're rolling, you can stagger your stance with one foot behind you. You're gonna push off the back foot as if you were pushing on a skateboard, and then you're gonna point the toe in the opposite direction that your knee is facing. This helps you to drag the front part here of the toe stop. If you try and just put this part down, it's gonna bounce all over the place. You really wanna point the toe in the opposite direction of your knee and drag it, and then bring the back foot to meet the front foot to stop. So I'll show you that again. Stagger your stance, push off the back foot, drag the front foot, and then bring your knees together. I'll show you from behind. Stagger your stance, push off the back foot, and then point your toe in the opposite direction of your knee, and then bring it together. Let's switch. Push off the back foot, point the toe in the opposite direction of the knee, and then slide the front face. Do you see how smooth that is? It's not bouncing all around. That's what you want to do. That's not what you want to do. See how it bounces? So really put most of the weight is in the front foot. A little bit of pressure is in the back, but it's on the top of the toe here. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can get notifications of all the lessons that are gonna be rolling out. I'm so excited to teach you dance moves and ramp moves and straight moves. And I can't wait for the day that I can bring my friends so that they can teach you too. All right, thank you very, very much for joining me in my driveway in my backyard. Hope you have a lovely night. All right, signing off, this is Estro Jen. Bye-bye.